Let's talk about catalytic converter zippers. If you've ever owned a car built after 1975, you've probably worried about catalytic converter theft. It's gotten so common that last year alone, insurance claims from converter thefts were up over 300%. That is every neighborhood's least favorite stat. Here's the pain. Catalytic converters have precious metals like platinum, palladium, and rhodium, worth more than gold per ounce. So thieves go underneath, zip them off in 90 seconds flat, and poof, your check engine light is on, and your wallet is $1,500 lighter. That's the average out-of-pocket cost, by the way. There's this new anti-theft device called a catalytic converter zipper making the rounds online. Weird name, right? It sounds like something you'd use on a camping trip, and not like car security at all. But that's why it's genius. Visualize a tough steel sleeve that zips tight around your converter, locking it in place. Installation is surprisingly easy, like 40 minutes tops if you've ever held a socket wrench. Step 1. You jack up your car and spot the converter, usually shiny, often shaped like a small football. Step 2. Wrap the zipper sleeve around it. Step 3. Crank it tight with the included tool. Here's where it gets clever. The zipper isn't an actual zipper, but a band with interlocking steel teeth, plus tamper-resistant screws. Once installed, it's nearly impossible for an ordinary thief with a sawzall to slip their blade under it. That extra 5 minutes of hassle is usually more than any thief cares to bother with. Pro tip: if you park on the street like most folks in Portland or any dense city, this small, visible deterrent can make you instantly less attractive as a target. Thieves want quick wins, not engineering problems. Think of it as the modern version of the club for steering wheels. Simple, but brutally effective. A huge pain point is insurance coverage. Most carriers call converter theft comprehensive, and surprise, that usually comes with a fat deductible. Full disclosure, more and more insurance companies now recommend you put any anti-theft device on. If you reference the zipper when filing, you might even get a discount. You don't need special skills to install the catalytic converter zipper. If you can assemble IKEA furniture, you can handle this. The only thing you really want to avoid is crawling under the car on an uneven driveway. Safety 101, use good jack stands. Never trust just the jack. Visually, the zipper looks kind of industrial, but not ridiculous. We're not talking about welding spikes to your undercarriage Mad Max style. You get a flush-fitted all-metal shield, sprayed matte to keep rust off. Take a photo when you're done. Send it to your insurance guy. Documenting the install could save you some future headaches. Numbers-wise, cars with visible deterrents like this are up to 80% less likely to get hit per several police departments. It's just that effective. Anyone who knows what a catalytic converter's worth takes one look at the device and keeps moving. Thieves aren't going after hard targets. If you're curious, you can buy a zipper system for under $200. Compare that with the $2,500 bill if you drive a hybrid or truck. Those converters are extra pricey. Simple math says this is obnoxiously good value. I've seen mechanics charge another $100 to install it, but honestly, most folks can DIY. Honestly, we spend more on things like phone cases and screen protectors than on protecting stuff under our cars. But if you've ever come out and heard your engine sound like a chainsaw, yeah, you only let that happen once. It's prevention that pays for itself 6 times over. Biggest pro tip: don't wait until after a theft. That's like buying a smoke detector while your kitchen's on fire. A lot of people wait until they get hit, but once it's gone, it's a whole ordeal. Back orders, paperwork, and some hard lessons. Zipper that thing before you're a statistic.